Introducing the H-Series X-Class. We at H-Series have worked countless hours. You didn't, you lazy rich bum? Fire him. On these 4 cars. We started off with the X1. The X1 has a weight of approximately 1,154 kilograms. And at that impressive weight, it has 1,891 horsepower, which is approximately 1.6 horsepower per hill. Because of that, it has 0 to 60 around 2.08 seconds and a top speed of 339 miles per hour. And while experimenting, we decided to put continuously variable transmission inside of our car. This continuously variable transmission doesn't have any gears, but has infinite gears at the same time. This allowed it to go 0 to 60 in 2.04 seconds, shaving down the time by a little bit, and bringing the quarter mile time down a significant amount. But then we realized our engineers hadn't had enough suffering. So we built the H-Series X2, which essentially improved on every aspect. We took the engine out completely and decided to start from scratch. It had more RPMs, more horsepower, and more fun. So we decided that was the pinnacle of automotive engineering. Just kidding, we made another one. The H-Series X3 has more power, an actual interior, I don't know how we got the other ones test driven, and just straight up more awesomeness. The X3 boasts an impressive 2,287 horsepower engine. It redlines at 12,000 RPM. The car has a weight of 1,179 kilograms, meaning it has an incredible power-to-weight ratio. This means the car can be pushed over 330 miles per hour and can do a quarter mile in less than 7.5 seconds. And just listen to this thing because it sounds absolutely amazing. And remember, we aren't going to stop here. Just wait for our next project. Oh yeah, and that paint right there, that is patented. Oh yeah. Wanna know what it's made of? Ground lines main tear. The tears of our engineers, top of the line. And another secret ingredient that I'm never going to tell anyone as long as I'm alive.